Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my jezail, or so. Here it is. It's a very simple model, and it has a interesting history to it, I guess. Not going to go into too much detail, but yeah, I think it will be a fun gun to play with. Here it is. And please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. Yeah. So first you need a square sheet of paper like so, and you want to fold it in half like this, so there's a crease line in the middle. So it's already there because I needed it to make the square, of course. And then you want to fold this two edge right here down to the center line. Okay, so before that you wanna fold just the tip of that corner, the front right here, about that much. That will determine the length of the gun. But you typically want it long because it's a long rifle. Okay, did that, then you want to do it again. So you want to bring this two edge right here down to the center line. Okay, like that. Then you see there's two corners right here, right there and right here. You want to bring this triangle and fold where those two corners are. Okay, just like that. Then you want to unfold it. Then bring this point down to that crease line right there. Okay. And then you want to open up this bottom flap right here. Then fold that center line over. Okay. Then you want to bring this flap over, just like that. So it should look like this. Then you see this corner, you want to fold that out all the way up to this bottom corner right here, and somewhere around here, so it doesn't go too much. So it should look like this. Okay, and then you want to fold this whole thing in half. Just like that. Okay, there's typically a barrel and a the stock, but this is supposed to be like the simple model to it, so it's just like this. Okay, then for this little triangle on top, you're gonna make like a half of a fish base. So you wanna first fold this down, then bring this two edge up onto the top edge. Okay, so just like that. Then bring that other edge over to the top. And you see this little triangle, fold that towards the front. So this is gonna resemble a lock, okay? And turn to the other side and fold this whole part in half, okay? Okay, just like that. And shape out the stock. So you're gonna bend that over. It has this unique stock to it that a lot of people might know. Okay, so shape out that stock just like that. Then you're going to take that bottom layer and kind of fold it down. Okay, if you turn to it, and you're gonna fold it right onto this corner right there, so you can bring down more of the stock. Okay, and kind of shape that out. Okay, can leave it like this, or sometimes it has a smaller stock to it, so you can fold that corner in if you want, and maybe fold that corner as well. Here it is. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.